Good morning, friends. Welcome to my network. I know it's been a while when I last posted a video of any unboxing or any review, but this time I bring to you the Vivo's X50 Pro. Yes, a 50,000 rupees phone, which offers dynamic specifics. To start with, it's a 5G phone powered by 765G with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal memory. And of course, I would like to mention the special feature talks about its camera system. So it has a very unique cinematograph form of camera specifications where the gimbal is the new technology which is inherited by Vivo in this specific phone. So this is the Vivo's X50 Pro's box, and as you can see it has mentioned 5G. So it's a 50,000 rupees phone and it comes with the advanced camera system. And Vivo is also always known for their unique inheritance of technology or adaptation of technology in their phone. In fact, I would like to mention that they were the first to start with the pop-up cameras. Also to mention the fingerprint readers we also saw in Vivo's phone at the very onset. So this time Vivo has brought to you the camera centric phone. It cost is approximately 50,000 rupees. Now it's you guys responsibility to judge whether it's underpriced, overpriced, or you think it's fine, because in a 50,000 rupees phone we expect Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with a top notch processor. However, we are getting 765G. It's not a bad processor though. However, it's most of the mid-range. It's called to be the mid-range processor. In the OnePlus Nord as well, we are going to see that specific processor. However, let's quickly do the unbox. Though I already have unboxed this packet just to check the phone and accessories. However, let me quickly open this box for you guys. So just to provide you the first look of the phone. Okay, friends, so this is how the box from internal looks like. We get a TPU case with the phone, and the box itself says the photography redefined, and this is the phone itself. Let me quickly show you. And the internal of the box, you will see a 33 watts USB Type C charger, USB Type C earphone as well. So this is the power brick, and these are the earphones, and as you can see, this is the invoice, this is all the paperwork, and this is the USB Type C. Okay, so I just keep this aside, and let's quickly show you the phone. The phone has been set up by me. Let me quickly show you how the phone exactly looks like. It's starting. I must say it's a very unique design, and it's more like a matte finish to the phone, and it has the Vivo branding as well. This is the advanced camera setup. So this is my second day with the phone. Honestly, it arrived yesterday. I unboxed it. However, I haven't used it. So I will use this phone and I will be able to provide my review with you guys. As of now, just to give you the first look of the phone, this is how the screen look like. It's a pretty AMOLED display. This is an E3 AMOLED display, which if you can see at Flipkart as well, it's good for your eyes as well. It's a curved display. There have been many of the reviewers who they don't like the curved display, but I personally I'm very fond of these curved displays. Yes, of course, made by Samsung, and nowadays Samsung phones are a little less curved, but phones like OnePlus 8 Pro or Vivo, or in fact Oppo Reno 4 as well, they are coming up with these curved displays. So this is the phone itself. Let me quickly just open the phone. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's a gorgeous display, and they also have placed this wallpaper as well. This is a live wallpaper, and as you can see, the colors are amazing. The display is quite good, and I have enabled the dark mode as well. I have used this. I did not use this phone as my primary phone as of now, but I will start to do so. But whatever I have used, I found this phone very smooth. I haven't played any game as of now, but still, from the performance perspective, while toppling among the applications and all, I found it amazing. Let me show you guys my 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 past videos so that you can have a good understanding of its how the display is and how the sound of this phone is. So this is my iPhone XR video, the review video I should say, which I created a long time back. Though this is not, you know, not with a good camera, I should say, but just to give you the idea of the sound of this phone, I would like to, play this video. After this, I will take you guys to my Realme 3 unboxing. That video will give you the idea of how the display of this phone looks like. Though when I use this phone, the display, as I mentioned, it's gorgeous. It's amazing. Colors are punchy, and they are quite good. So this is a review video of my iPhone XR. Okay, so this is my other unboxing. This is Realme 3 phone which I unboxed, and this is the 720p video. This is a high definition video, just to give you the idea of how the display looks like. It's a curved display. It's a gorgeous display, amazing. Alright guys, that's all from my end. I will keep on testing this phone, and I will bring to you my review video as well. Till the time, have a nice day, stay safe, and Jai Hind.